I'm here with Mark Raggett, who is Area Sales Manager for Naim, and you've got some new products which are actually the same name as the old brands, but with a lot of new little twitches in them. So maybe you can explain to our viewers exactly what you've changed to make these the new models.
Okay. Well, we're looking now at the CD5i and the Nait5i. We call them Italic because literally the only difference you'll see on the outside of the product, certainly the CD player, is the legend on the back of the player, which now has an Italic eye. With regard to the Nait5i, you will see something different on the front panel to the previous Nait5i we produced. That is, we now have a mini jack connection here, suitable obviously for iPod connectivity, which was not on the previous model. So what we've done with these two products is we've revamped the products now to give us increased performance on the products that they've now replaced, and extra connectivity and sort of 21st century connectivity. Internally, we've changed the D2A converter chip here in the CD5i. We're now using a Wolfson DAC, which is the 8706 D2A converter. We've chosen this one in preference to many others now because of extensive listening tests carried out on D2A converters in this product. We've also improved things like the circuit topology. We've improved the earthing configuration, which again enhances the performance of the player. With regard to the Nait5i, apart from the obvious new socketry on board, we've now using ceramics for the heat sinking properties of the product on the output devices, which gives us much greater efficiency with the devices
and less heat.
Makes sense. We get quite suitable improvements in performance by using this type of technology. As always, we try to keep the most sensitive areas of the product away from the harmful elements of transformers. So in our circuit design, all the sensitive circuitry is at the furthest part away internally to the transformer.
Okay, so buyer beware. The eye is the new one, okay?
Correct, the Italic eye is the new one.
So be sure when you go out and get the new model, what's inside is upgraded and different. But on the outside, aside from the little plug, it's going to be difficult for the normal buyer to understand. If he wants to buy it in a second-hand market sometime soon, well, then he'd be careful that it's the new one and not the old one.
That's right. Check with the seller which version you're getting.
Okay, on a second-hand market, it's not always that easy. So they're new, so they're in the market now.
This is basically we're at a HiFi show in London at the moment. Yeah. At the Novotel in Hammersmith, and this is the launch venue for these products this weekend.
Okay, this is the world premiere, so they'll be in the market
as of
imminently.
Next week,
imminently. Okay, great. Well, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure as ever, and looking forward to seeing more products rolling out in the new year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.